Welcome back to the break. You're watching NewsX and I'm Asavri Jindal. The headlines first. Bihar Assembly election schedule is set to be announced at 4 p.m. today. The announcement comes after a comprehensive two-day review of the poll preparedness in the state. At least 8 patients were killed after a fire broke out in the ICU of the trauma center at the Jaipur Savai Man Singh Hospital. Families have alleged that the staff fled soon after the blaze, suspected to have been caused by a short circuit. After the Union Health Ministry held an emergency high-level meeting with the health secretaries and drug control officials, centre seeks report from Health Department on cough syrup row. At least 23 people have been killed as heavy rainfall triggered massive landslides in West Bengal's Darjeeling. Flood-affected areas are, of course, being taken care of. Rescue operations are underway. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Shankar has said that the United States must respect India's red line as two nations negotiate a trade breakthrough. India and the United States are yet to reach a landing ground in the ongoing trade negotiations. The Orissa government imposed prohibitory orders in 13 police station areas and suspended internet services in Cuttack, where 25 people have been injured in a fresh violence incident that has been reported following the Durga idol immersion procession. Suspected Pakistani drone spotted crossing into India in Samba, Jammu and Kashmir. Late last night, Jammu and Kashmir Police and BSF have launched searches to locate suspected drone. The Indian Navy is set to commission second anti-submarine vessel INS Androt in Visakhapatnam today. The commissioning marks another step in the Navy's ongoing efforts to boost its operational readiness and maritime self-reliance.